Hey Animal Kingdom fans, in honor of the 6th and final season of our show, here's a look back at the top 6 most shocking moments of Animal Kingdom.
Word around town is that Cody's a target.
The question is, what can we do next? You should have told us about the DEA.
I had a handle. You lied about the job.
Bullshit! Did you know about this?
Shut up, man.
No. We're not here because of me. We're here because you didn't have the balls to shoot your boyfriend.
What you think, too?
You, huh? You like watching Smurf brains blow out the side of her head, huh? Smurf said you weren't strong enough to deal with Adrian. She was right.
Enough! Craig, enough! Enough!
Craig, get off me! Craig! Get off me! Enough! Get off!
I'll go first. And then when it's safe, you can meet us. Costa Rica. And Belize. I love you.
It's my new bank.
Smurf?
Yeah.
Holy shit. She's gonna come after you, Bass.
Don't worry about Smurf. And I called in a tip to the cops. I had her arrested for murder. And she killed Hobby. So I dug up his body, shot him with one of Smurf's guns, threw in the gun with him.
And you're right.
Smurf's in jail because of me. I'm heading down to Mexico tonight with Lucy. I'm gonna start looking for a place.
Aspirating, ETA 2 minutes.
I need a chair, sir.
Clear.
Pulse check. No cardiac activity.
And
36.
School. I knew it was gonna go down like this. I would have passed out breath mints. You say what you gotta say.
You stole from us. You lied. You think that can stand?
Smurf's gone. Things are different. Your shit's loose.
You get us our share of that coke money by the end of the week, or I'm gonna come back here and take pieces of you till there's nothing left.
shoot me, Andrew.
No.
Andrew, don't you get it? I'm already dead!
Holy shit.
Shoot me!
She's gonna do it, Pope!
Smurf! Christ! Smurf! Christ! Smurf!
Someone could have heard the gunshots. Gotta get out of here before the cops come.
Thank you so much for watching, following, tweeting, and obsessing over the Codys for the last 6 seasons with us. We've got a killer finale in store for you, so don't miss out on the final season of Animal Kingdom here on TNT.